So this is a very powerful workflow that we've done up and until this point. We specified exactly what we want in depth with Claude. Then we created a prototype in Figma Make. And then we used Claude Code to build that in Figma. So that's where we are currently.
Exactly. And if you look at these, just look at the level of detail, the precision. You don't need to actually fix a lot of things. Yeah, maybe for my taste, I would change a little bit this icon or this button to be the same size as the input box. But even if you leave it like this, it is a completely appropriate looking design. And this is how
Definitely good
your
for a
app will
first
look.
draft.
Yeah. So the next step is that we will start turning this into a prototype. The way how you would put together a prototype is that you would manually select an item and then you would connect with this prototyping button or prototyping arrow to the next screen where it needs to go. And I automated this one as well, so I can actually create this without doing anything, just simply telling Claude Code to perform this step for me.
Today's episode is brought to you by Amplitude. Replays of mobile user engagement are critical to building better products and experiences, but many session replay tools don't capture the full picture. Some tools take screenshots every second, leading to choppy replays and high storage costs from enormous capture sizes. Others use wireframes, but key moments go missing, creating gaps in your understanding. Neither approach gives you a truly mobile experience. Amplitude does things differently. Their mobile replays capture the full experience. Every tap, every scroll, and every gesture, with no lag and no performance hit. It's the most accurate way to understand mobile behavior. See the full story with Amplitude. I hope you enjoyed that short clip. You can check out the full episode here.